2005 Ford F-150 XLT Lariat, 5.4 liter, 4x4. Carfax certified, no accidents, all original. Original chrome bumpers, not a ding on either one of them. Tow package. Sprayed in bed liner with the extended cab. Power sliding window. Power sliding rear window, I apologize. Running boards. Not a door ding, scratch, or rock chip on this vehicle. Like new condition, fog lights. We have the code for the door. Leather seats. Power seats. There's the Carfax. Heated seats. Everything works on the vehicle. Moonroof. Power sliding glass rear. As I stated, like new condition, in and out. (2005) Ford F-150 Lariat 4x4 crew cab, 74,000 miles.